Hi hair friends, welcome to Hairstylist Health. My name is Sarah and I've been a hairdresser for the past 15 years. I created this channel to provide tips and tricks for better mental and physical well-being behind the chair. If you would like to see my hair work, go to Color Cut Collective. I'll leave a link down below. Over the years, I've had a heck of a time eating breakfast and also having things that are tasty and nutritious that I can take to work to eat in between clients. Today, I'm going to show you 3 items that have really helped me achieve those goals. But before we get started, I'm just going to put up a little disclaimer, so if you can pause the video for a second and watch it, it's going to start here. The 3 items that I'm going to show you today are a badass blender that I absolutely freaking love for making my breakfast smoothies, a pressure cooker that is awesome to do a lot of my food prep, and then these glass containers with handles on them that I use to carry all of my food into the salon. So this is the Breville Boss to go. I have tried a variety of other blenders and this one is my favorite by far. It has a super strong motor that lasts for a really long time. Due to its strength, it easily blends up my breakfast smoothie of frozen fruit, nuts, and kale. I also use it to make nice cream out of frozen banana, and these blades chop it up into a super creamy, tasty snack, no problem. The Breville actually comes with 2 cups, but my partner took the other one to work. The cups are just the right size for the amount of smoothie I want in the morning. It took me forever to find the correct containers for food prep. I'm not a huge fan of putting my food in all plastic containers, and so was stoked when I found these that are made from glass. This is a 7.5 cup size that I use most often to take my food to work, and yeah, I love that it has a handle. I use the 10.5 cup most often for storing food in my fridge. That's my cat Mable zooming around. I use the 19 cup container for big food prep jobs, such as a week's worth of beans or casserole. The double handle design is so awesome. Now let's talk pressure cookers. I know they can seem a bit intimidating at first, but I have totally fallen in love with mine. It makes cooking my weekly pile of beans so easy. My most important piece of advice is please read all the instructions before using. It is very straightforward, just follow the steps outlined in the instruction manual. I did a lot of research and decided to buy the Presto 8-quart pressure cooker, the main reasons being that this one is stainless steel, has a heavy bottom so there's even heat distribution, and it is sturdily built to last a long time. So here's a quick bean tutorial. I have soaked these overnight, then I drain them in the sink and return the beans to the pot. Please follow the direction manual on how much beans to use, how long to soak, and how much water that you should add. Then I fling in some salty stuff, some spicy stuff, lots for me, some flavor stuff, in this case cumin, and then some onion stuff for added tastiness. Put on the lid, making sure it is totally secure and the handles have lined up. When you hear a steady flow of steam like this, then you cook for the length of time indicated in the recipe or cooking chart in the manual. There are a number of ways to release the steam from the pressure cooker. In this instance, I am turning the pressure release valve and letting the steam release. Please, once again, read the manual for the other options. You'll know that it's time to take the lid off when you hear or see the cover lock release. Then just take the lid off, being careful of the steam, and voila, you've got super tasty beans for the week. I will usually store the beans in the 10.5 cup container. I often will strain them before putting them into the container, but today I'm going to use the broth as a soup base. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this helps with your food prep. I'm going to make more videos along this line where I'm going to show different smoothie recipes that I like and different food prep recipes that I like. So I'll see you next time.